Guys, what is up with all these fucking spheres that fly around in Colombia? Are these like the new drug mules? These drug delivery drones? What the actual fuck is going on? Did the cartels crack, anti-gravity before any government? What, So we're going to be talking about this, and do not mistake this with the, circle sphere that is copper cap.
So, you tell me. Otherwise, fuck you.
So let's just go over some details about this video that was released and found and is going pretty viral right now. And check out the details before we check out the actual thing. Make sure you stay around. This video gets good. Best parts are always at the end. Daily upload. Subscribe, notifications on.
Teachers have souls!
So it goes like this, right? Metallic UAP filmed over Yumbo, Colombia on June 10th, 2025. Date and time, June 10th, 2025, approximately 3:15 p.m. local time. Location, rural area near Yumbo, Colombia. Witnesses is a local farmer, which it usually is, right? Weather, clear skies, light wispy cloud, minimal wind, approximately 25 degrees. During this duration of sightings was about 3 minutes. Sound completely silent. Okay, we got some anti-grav tech here, right? Movement spotted flying around for 3 minutes around cornfields. And how common is this shit, right? We've been covering more and more cornfields, and these little fucking balls just flying around there. And there was this one video which I'm not sure was real, where it was flying over the field, and this crop circle just fucking appeared like out of nowhere. It was crazy, right? But you can't trust many things in the age of AI, so it's really hard to know actually what is going on.
Uf. Uy. Bueno, vamos a ver estas imágenes nuevamente. Qué calidad de imágenes, ¿verdad? Yo creo que es uno de los videos mejor grabados. Vea usted. Veamos ahí. Mire, claramente desde el inicio se ve el cinturón que rodea la esfera. La parte superior refleja el cielo. La parte inferior vemos que refleja el terreno. Nuevamente vemos, ¿escuchó? Parece que roza la punta de las cañas. Y ahí también hay cables muy cercanos. Hubiera estado bueno que nos tocara otra vez. ¿No? Para tener otra esfera de Buga y que entonces que se caiga el mundo, señoras y señores. Vean ustedes qué imágenes, qué claridad. Uf. A mí no me queda duda. Bueno, claro, le vamos a hacer análisis, le vamos a confirmar que yo no tengo dudas, pero todos nos podemos equivocar. Así es que vamos a hacer todos los análisis, todo lo necesario para que pues todos estemos seguros y se puedan confirmar estas imágenes como una de las mejores de todos los tiempos. En verdad, miren nada más qué calidad, qué cercanía. La persona que lo grabó, mis respetos, ¿no? Un ingeniero, vea usted qué hace la esfera. Baja y luego sube súbitamente. Ahí termina el video. Yo no sé si lo siguieron grabando y hay otros videos por ahí. Pues trataremos de obtenerlos porque caray, uy. Uy.
Fucking degenerate.
I remember when you used to hold my hand. Now you acting like a ghost girl. Live forever with a smile stuck on your face. You think you know you, but I know you the most, girl. You will never find another one just like me. Long nights getting high on the coast, girl. 2 weeks and I still got the same